Hey everyone, Jen and John here with the Genuine Home Experts. Today we're diving into an essential topic, how to improve your credit score for those of you who may not have the best credit history. Let's get started.
First things first, let's talk about credit scores. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. A higher score can help you secure better loan rates, credit cards, and even affect your ability to rent an apartment. If your score isn't where you want it to be, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to improve it.
Here are 6 actionable steps to help you improve your credit score. First, check your credit report. Start by checking your credit report for errors. You can request a free report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion.
Number 2, pay your bills on time. Timely payments make up a significant portion of your credit score. Set reminders or automate payments to help you stay on track.
Number 3, reduce your credit utilization. Try to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means if you have a credit limit of $1,000, you should keep your balance under $300.
Number 4, limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, it can impact your score. Limit new applications to only when necessary.
Number 5, consider becoming an authorized user. If someone you trust has good credit history, ask if you can become an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history can help boost your score.
Number 6, explore credit repair companies. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you might consider working with a credit repair company. These organizations can help dispute inaccuracies on your credit report and provide guidance on improving your score. Just be sure to do your research and choose a reputable company.
Now, let's talk about banking options. If you have less than stellar credit, finding the right bank to open an account with is crucial. Local credit unions often have more lenient requirements and can become a great resource for you. Some banks specialize in offering accounts to those with lower credit scores. While these might have higher fees, they can help you rebuild your credit.
Improving your credit score takes time and patience, but with these steps, you can make significant progress.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.